You're watching a Zoobs Ed program.
John, Deb and Gear's trip to the Rainforest.
Hey Gear, what exactly are you doing?
Studying?
On a Saturday? Figures.
Well, I have to give an essay about the rainforest for science class by Tuesday. We all do.
Well, me and Deb have been researching all day. We've been playing survival mode on the rainforest biome on Zoobcraft.
Okay then, what did you learn?
That there are vines you can climb, ocelots and huge trees.
Ow! And zombies that hide under the shade.
Even though all the things you said are true, except for the zombies, there's much more to the rainforest than that. For example, did you know that all of the rainforests in the world are near or on the equator? That's because they get full coverage from the sun, which means sunny 12-hour days all year.
Oh great, here we go again.
Oh really?
Indeed.
Actually, the equator is between two different imaginary lines called the tropics. The space between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is where you find your tropical seas, coral reefs, and tropical storms like hurricanes and torrential rain. The ginormous average in rainfall per year in rainforests from tropical storms is great, up to 8 feet 2 inches. Combined with continuous sunlight, it creates the circumstances which allow trees and plants to grow bigger and faster than any other biome.
I'm going to pause the video for a second so I can show you something interesting. If you look at the mountainous forest tree and forest tree on this chart, you can see that they do grow bigger than the rainforest tree. But look at the growth rate. While the kapok tree grows 13 feet per year, the two bigger trees only grow 2 feet per year. So that shows you that the kapok tree grows bigger at a more significant rate of speed. Thank you for your time.
These plants help feed the thousands of species of animals that live in the rainforest. Even though these forests only fill 3% of the earth, they make up for more than 50% of its wildlife.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, amazing. Speaking of rainforests, me and Deb have only finished 50% of our tree fort in Zoobcraft, so come on, Deb.
What? Does this have to happen, like, all the time? Whoa, where are we?
Interesting.
While they're exploring the luscious rainforest scenery, I think we should play a game of Rainforest Look and Find. If you're into a more easygoing kind of puzzle, you can find a giant anteater, a bromeliad, and 2 pitcher plants. If you're in for more of a challenge, I challenge you to find an orchid, a hummingbird, a tree frog, a boa constrictor, 15 leafcutter ants, and 9 mushrooms. Now if you're in for a real challenge, I ask you to find a piranha, a thorn bug, and a leaf insect. Now if you're in for a real difficult challenge, here's a little one of a riddle. Riddles are always fun. Here's the riddle. I look and smell like rotting flesh to attract flies so that they will pollinate me. Can you find me? Whoa, that's interesting. However, if you're dedicated to finishing the entire puzzle, it best be that you do them all. Feel free to look any of these species up on a book or computer if you don't recognize them. That's all part of the learning experience. Now, before we get on with the video, here's a sheet telling you all the stuff you need to find, if you want to do a puzzle, that is. Just in case you want to pause the video and find all these things. Cheerio, chaps, goodbye. You know, is anyone else disturbed by the fact that we have no idea where we are? Am I the only one concerned here? What are you doing here?
Here you go, little buddy. Interesting. Oh my.
Can you just explain what's going on?
Ahem. Please. Well, look over here and I'll show you. You see, this is a Rafflesia arnoldi, which grows in Southeast Asia and is the biggest flower in the world, reaching a length of up to 3 feet. It's red and smells like a carcass to attract insects such as flies. While the insects crawl around the flower, they pick up sticky pollen. As they fly from flower to flower, they transfer the pollen, pollinating the Rafflesias. And these are adult leafcutter ants, which live in Central and South America. They farm crops of fungi for eating, picking, cutting into pieces, and bringing leaves to the fungi that the ants know they love to digest best. They're like nature's little farmers.
Get off me, you stupid ants. I don't speak gear, dude. Can you just tell me what's going on?
How about you? Do you know what's odd about this picture? Well, you'll have plenty of time to figure it out before the next John, Deb and Gear's trip to the rainforest.
Hello, it's me, British guy. And if you like the videos that we are making, I suggest you subscribe, or at least give a like or comment, if you wish. Sharing is also a nice thing to do. Sharing is caring, you know what they say. Well, cheerio, chaps, it's time for me to leave.